Invest your time in proper metadata and curating your photos. If you don't put your time behind curating your photos, then there is a lot of chance that customer buyers will not find your photo in stock agencies. While curating, think your image like a buyer. Then you'll get better understanding what type of curating stuff should be added to your photos, what type of titles, descriptions should be added to your photos. Use 25 to 45 accurate keywords for every images. Make your titles and descriptions quite unique, different from others. While curating, think of both descriptive meaning and conceptual meaning. Have some example of those. Here is an image have both conceptual and descriptive meaning. Descriptive meaning is that ride on bike on the road, and the conceptual meaning is that sport and active life concept in the summertime. And another image, silhouettes of team on Mount Peak. Sport and active life concept is conceptual meaning, where silhouette of team on mountain peak is descriptive meaning.